Hi, Vic here, another episode about product UI UX design. So for today, I will talk about common career paths for product UI UX design. So for several years of doing UX design, this is what I observed that most designers are taking on. So let me discuss you these career paths and explain ko na din kung ano yung activities na involved for each career path. And then we will check the difficulty level for you to start earning. Take note lang, this is the difficulty kung paano ka makakapag-start na kumita, and it doesn't relate to the amount that you're going to earn. We will rank them from easiest to hardest. The first and the most common one is being a full-time product UI UX designer. So dito, you'll be working with a company on a full-time basis. So 8 hours a day or 40 hours a week. And yung under nito is, it could be, yung position na posible mong gawin under the company is, you could be a specialist designer. So it includes UX designer, UX researcher, interaction designer, UX writer, or UI UX developer. Pero syempre depende din siya sa size ng company, because for example, nag-work kasi isang startup, so possibly you'll be playing different roles. Pero if you are lucky enough to get into a larger company, magfo-focus ka sa mga specific activities ng UX design. Yan. And yun yung isang part ng pagiging full-time product designer. And another one is to be on a managerial or leadership roles. Design ops, so you lead the operations of design, UX design manager, chief design officer, or vice president for design. Itong role na to is ikaw yung nagmamanage ng buong design team, and then ikaw na din yung nag-handle ng difficult decisions within the team. And then para i-rank itong being full-time designer, kung gaano kahirap or difficulty level to start earning, nirank ko siya as easiest way to earn money dahil nakakontrata siya. From the first month mo is kikita ka na agad, stable income na dumarating sa'yo every month. So, sustainable siya kasi yun nga, specific amount per month, and there's no need to do marketing, invoicing, or other customer service related stuff. Most of the time, you'll just be focusing on the UX. Ayun. So that's the first one, full-time UX designer. And the next one is to be a freelance product UI UX designer. Anong pagkakaiba nito? So dito, you'll be going solo, and one of the main tasks mo, aside from doing UX or product design, is you will also need to find clients and manage the projects that you're going to work on. Usually, yung mga clients mo will be looking for your productized services, such as UX strategy, UX audit, custom UI UX project, and idea validation. And another way to earn money as a freelance product UX designer is to be a consultant. Dito naman, still a productized service, but then it's more of offering advice to a client. To help a client with a problem. Under consultant na din, pwede ka ding maging coach. Usually, you'll be coaching teams, design teams, how to improve their process and how to do things efficiently in terms of design. Ang rate ko dito sa freelance product UI UX designer is medium. First is you can earn a good amount of money in accepting freelance projects, especially in product design. Kasi many people wants to build app, and of course it will require design. So nandun yung need ng clients mo or customers. The problem is, hindi ganun kadaling kumuha ng clients. Kaya ako ni-rate siya na yung difficulty niya as medium. Well, there are existing freelancing platform na pwede ka lang mag-register and then you can start sending proposals. But the problem is, napakalaki nung competition doon. If gagawin mo naman yung sarili mong marketing, you'll need extra set of skills to do inbound or outbound marketing kung hindi ka magre-rely sa freelancing platform. And basically, you'll just need to figure out a system that will work for you. And then that will be the key for you to create a good cash flow sa freelance. And the third one is entrepreneurial. So dito, you'll be running a business. And dito yung common paths ng mga designers na nakikita ko is, first one, they build their own product. So, software as a service, yung mga mobile apps na pwede mong i-offer as service sa ibang tao, diba? And then, design kits, of course, you create mga templates na pwede mong ibenta sa iba. And educational purposes, something na makakapagturo sa ibang tao. And then, another path under entrepreneurial is you can also start a design agency or studio. Dito naman, it's almost like freelancing. You'll be a service-based company focusing on providing UX services. Pero yung pagkakaiba, freelance is that you're going solo, but then dito sa design agency or studio, dito sa part na to is you're not just going to focus on design because you will also need to focus on how to run your business, like validate your product, kung meron bang need dun sa software as a service mo or design kits, marketing your product or service, building a good cash flow, hiring people, and other business related activities. Pero one thing that I can say about being UX designer and entrepreneur, once you were able to find a profitable business model and people who find value on your product or service, I think ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng most earning potential because it is really scalable than the other career paths, and you can start with very, very small revenue and then lalaki na siya dun if you are doing it right. Okay, well, anyway, that's it for the entrepreneurial thing, and I rated it as the hardest one but the most rewarding career path. It will not just give you a positive cash flow but also freedom on your time. Review lang natin yung tatlo nating mga career paths na na-discuss. So first one is full-time. This is the easiest one, I mean, to start earning kasi meron ka ng kontrata na from the first month you'll start earning and consistent siya. Next one is freelance, which I rated as medium sa difficulty to start earning dahil it will be challenging for everyone to get clients. So you have to find a system for you to get a continuous flow of increase from clients. And the third one is to be an entrepreneur, which you can either build a product or start a design agency or studio. I rated it as hard dahil you need to be business literate and then good UX designer para makakuha mo yung path na to. But then even if it is the hardest one, it is the most rewarding one from my opinion. Okay? Well, some starts with freelancing, and yung iba naman nag-i-start sila ng full-time. And meron din namang iba na pinagsasabay nila yung tatlong yan. May full-time sila, then on the side they do freelance, and then sa free time nila, meron din silang binibuild na product or business na gusto nilang simulan. And the idea is there are other paths that you can take as a product designer, but it is really an ongoing journey to find which will work for you. So, no one can tell you which path is better. Sasabihin nila, uy, kailangan mong gawin to kasi mas may oras ka dito, mas malaki yung kita dito, and so on. It's always up to you to explore the journey, to see which gives you the level of sustainability and happiness that you wanted. Yan. End of my topic. I hope you learned something today. So, If you have questions about product UI UX design, feel free to comment down below. Please pa-like na din ang video and pa-share na din. That's it. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.